Hello everyone, Science 1, Standard 10, Lesson number 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. This is ninth video of this lesson. In the previous video, we learned combination reaction and decomposition reaction. In this video, we will see displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, more active element displaces less or takes a place of a less active element in a compound. These are also called single displacement reaction. Let's have an example. Suppose we have an element A and a compound BC. Now A is more reactive than B, so A is going to displaces or push off B and combine with C. You can see here A is more reactive and displaces B and takes a place of B. So here we'll get AC and B as a product, and this is the displacement reaction. As we saw here, more active element A displaces less active element B. Now, how do we know which element is more reactive than other? In chemistry, we have a reactivity series. Here, the reactivity series of metal. The metals on the top are more reactive, and as you move down, the reactivity decreases. Look here. For example, sodium is more reactive than iron because sodium is at the top, so it is more reactive than iron. Hydrogen is also in the list even though it is a non-metal because it is electropositive in nature and can be displaced by metal. So it is displaced by metals. There is also reactivity series of non-metal. Fluorine is more reactive than iodine. Let's see the example of displacement reaction. The first one, here we have a zinc plus HCl. Since zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, according to reactivity series, it displaces hydrogen. You can see here, it displaces hydrogen and we will get zinc chloride and hydrogen. Another example is potassium iodide and chlorine. This example involves non-metal. Chlorine is more reactive than iodine, so chlorine is displaces iodine. Here chlorine is displaces iodine because it is more reactive than iodine, and we will get potassium chloride and iodine. Next example, what happens when iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution? See the reaction. Iron nail plus copper sulfate will get ferrous sulfate and copper. Here we know that iron is more reactive than copper, so iron is going to displaces copper from copper sulfate and will get copper and ferrous sulfate. Here iron is more reactive, so it displaces copper and takes a place of copper and will get ferrous sulfate and copper. We even can predict the observation based on reaction. We know that copper sulfate is blue in color and ferrous sulfate is green in color. So the color of solution is going to change from blue to green. Copper is being deposited here You will see here reddish brown deposit on a iron nail. So copper sulfate is a blue color which is changed to green color, and copper is deposited on iron nail. So from the above example we can say the reaction in which the place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ion is called displacement reaction. Remember the keyword more reactive element displaces less active element. So we stop here. In the next video we will see double displacement reaction. Thank you.